Welcome back, everybody. We tempt your tummy today with items like melt-in-your-mouth brisket, specialty pizzas, or, I love this one, sin in a tin. It's a signature mac and cheese.
Plus, at Primal Eats in Gillett, you can have dessert for a good cause and listen to music, all in a really fun setting.
It's definitely more than a meal out. It's an adventure.
Hello, this is Scott Follett. Welcome to Primal Eats in Apple Creek Whitetails. And I built this as a place that our children could develop work ethic. After the first two came out of college, they wanted to build a food company.
We do venison sausage products in a few different flavors, a few different product types, and those we sell out of our retail store here, but we also take at the around Wisconsin through distribution channels to different convenience stores, grocery stores. We are working on the federal process right now to join the CIS program, which is the interstate program, and through that we will be able to sell our products wholesale at the national level.
So Primal Eats began as an offshoot of that. Isaac wanted to develop a restaurant that would take unique products. We took prime briskets, trimmed as much of the fat off as possible, smoked it for 14 hours, and then took the briskets and put it into a holding unit at 98% humidity, 160 degrees, allows the moistures to go back into the fibers of the meat. So when customers get a pound of brisket, it melts in your mouth.
Our menu is basically based off of brisket and pork, and that goes into many other menu items. We do make a Philly-style sandwich, which can get topped with pork and brisket. We're doing some smoked chicken that goes along with some homemade wild rice. Everything is homemade, everything is delicious. We also have a signature mac and cheese. That's one of our top items. Again, that's a sauce that we put together, and we cook our own noodles. We make our own sauce, and we use a 3-year aged cheddar to really bring out a pop of flavor. Top it with breadcrumbs and a little bit more butter. It's sin in a tin, as I say it, but it's really, really good. Oh, the pizzas are wonderful. What we roll out is specialty pizzas. And those specialty pizzas, anybody can add their own toppings to it. In-house, we make our own venison Italian sausage pizza that's smoked, so it really brings out the Italian sausage flavor. And we have bacon, pepperoni, onions, mushrooms, green peppers, green chilies. Basically, if it's in our kitchen, we'll put it on top of the pizza for you. Including the brisket, including the pork, all those things. The ice cream is actually very special. I think it's a wonderful program that we have. Ranks Northern Distributing donates half of the ice cream to us, and Primal Eats buys the other half. So it's 100% paid for. So any money that we bring in from that ice cream stand gets directly donated to the Sam 25 Homeless Shelter in Shawano.
We do offer catering for all of the food products that we make in the restaurant. Whole catering process can be done right online. People can pick out exactly what they want, place the order. It gets thrown into our schedule right away, so they don't even need to give us a call if they want to put a catering order together. This tractor barn here, we redid the whole inside and outside, made it look beautiful. Basically, it's set up as an event center. It has 70 seats, and people, they don't have to rent the space if they want to have an event. They just purchase the food and drinks from the Primal Eats restaurant here. So we can bring it out on carts. It's basically like having a catered event in a really cool setting.
It's not just a restaurant service, it's actually an event that we put on every day here. Friday and Saturday nights we have live music on the stage that you can possibly see behind me, and that is just such a party out here.
We started the last day in April. Our first Friday, we had 7 orders. Last Friday, we probably had 430 orders with 1,500 people come. The biggest fruit that I saw is not just the business, but the pure joy that comes from the customers. When I walk up and ask how the food is, it's amazing. But what people are finding is they're meeting friends from Shawano Lake to Legend Lake to Green Bay. The community aspect of it was the greatest fruit that I never expected coming out of Primal Eats.
Okay, Melaine and I are ready to go, and you should be too because it's an easy drive to County Road Double V in Gillett. You can reach them toll-free 855-951-3287.
The gift shop and restaurant are open Wednesday through Saturday. If you'd like more information, including a schedule of music, head to primalEats.com or give them a follow on social media.